家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英. This is our ninth lesson of the series Learn Chinese characters with pictures and stories. In this lesson, we are going to learn top 5 characters of weather. That is 雨、雪、雷、风、电。I know they seem complex and you may feel intimidated, but if you stick around for about 5 minutes, you will be able to memorize them, even if you are a beginner. There are also tests for you to check your own learning. You will be surprised and impressed by your own progress. Without further ado, let's get started. The first word we are going to learn is 雨。雨, it means rain. Let's see how to remember this word. Do you see here this picture? Let's see how the word come from this picture. Do you see here this top line is the symbol of the cloud? And do you see this structure here? This is the symbol of a house. And here, the line in the middle is a symbol of the lightning. And the dots inside of it, of course, is the symbol of the rains here. So, can you remember the word in this way? Leave it in the comment below. Now let's see how to write this word. Do you remember the rules of writing from top to bottom, from left to right? So the first stroke is the top line, vertical line in the left, horizontal line, sharp turn into a vertical line with the hook, and the line in the middle, and then 4 dots. Can you write it now? This is the word 雨. 雨, it means rain. If you can master this word, well, it's quite easy for you to learn the following 2 words. Let's see what they are. The second word is 雪. 雪. It means snow. Do you notice here? This part is actually 雨. Do you notice it? And here, the dots here might be the symbol of the snow. And unlike the rain, the snow can pile up. So at the bottom, it has this kind of shape. And it's not difficult to understand it. This is the symbol of piled up snow here. So can you remember the word in this way? Leave it in the comment below. So this is the word 雪. Now let's write it together. The first line, same way, write the rain. But it's a little bit shorter, so they can fit in the word. So here we have it, the word 雪. 雪, it means snow. And the third word we are going to learn is 雷. 雷, it means thunder. Okay, the same thing. Do you notice here? This part is a variant of 雨. And how to remember this part? Actually, it is a word means land. And it's not difficult to remember it. It's just that you see here, this is this square part is kind of the shape of the land, and the cross inside of it is the symbol of the roads. So you can remember it in this way. The thunder happens above the land, and it often brings rain in most cases. So this is the word 雷. Well, let's write it together. Well, the top part is 雨, and It's the same way of writing it. It's just a little bit smaller. And at the bottom part is the word 田. It means the land. Here we have it, the word 雷. It means thunder. And the fourth word we are going to learn is 风. It means wind. Let's see how to remember this word. See here, do you see the wind here? And this is the outline of the wind. If it is a wind, it will make everything messy. So it is a symbol of it. Now let's write it together. So a left swing, a line, and with a right swing with a hook and a cross inside of it. Here we have it, the word 风. It means wind. The last word we are going to learn is 电. It means lightning. Let's see how to remember this word. Do you see the picture here? And this part is the symbol of the cloud here. The cloud is quite heavy, so it has two layers. And this part is the symbol of the lightning. So here is a symbol of it. So can you remember this word now? Leave it in the comment below. Well, let's write it together. The first stroke is the vertical line at the left. And here, horizontal line turn into a vertical line. Horizontal line, a horizontal line to close it up. And here, vertical line in the middle with the round corner turn into a horizontal line with a hook. Here we have it, the word 电. It means lightning. How's it going, everyone? Leave it in the comment below. If you want to check your own learning, you can click the video in the end of this lesson or the link in the description box. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload video resources weekly. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。